You are welcome to Safobafo's Poultry Farm Company Limited. Quality with affordability. Starting poultry farm is very easy and simple if you are ready to follow the rules and regulations for doing poultry farm. When building your poultry farm structure, you have to consider biosecurity. It is very important, especially biosecurity for fruit wash. That is the entrance there. Everything shouldn't get perfect before you get started. You have to get started before everything becomes perfect. That is one of the principles of success. You have to start with any little thing that you have. So here they are ready to be sent into their room. I'm going to feed them with chick mash or chick care for 2 weeks, and after I will change their feed. When they are brought from the breeders company, you have to count them to avoid any future doubts. Before they arrive, their feed, their drink, or their water must be ready available, especially the water. For the first time, the water must be ready before they arrive. The temperature of the water must conform with the temperature within the room. The water shouldn't be cold. So it is very important and critical. Today's date is 15th April 2020. By now, I'm supposed to be in Ghana, but because of the current situation, because of the coronavirus disease around the world, I couldn't go to Ghana. My flight has been cancelled. So this is an advice to all upcoming entrepreneurs or an existing entrepreneurs. You have to structure your business in such a way that even if you are not there, it can still run smoothly. You have to learn to delegate. You have to learn to trust people to do your job for you. Sometimes people say, I don't trust anybody. Then you are not ready to do business. Then you are not ready to take risk. Though some people are going to misuse the trust that you give to them, but if you continue to search to trust people, you are going to find few who are ready to work with you. So success is about taking risks. If you want to be successful and still play it safe, then you are not ready to go. Success means doing what failures are not ready to do. And those who think they are playing safe are rather taking risk. And those who think they are taking risks are rather playing safe. So any business idea that you have, take risk, and it can come true like this one. When the chick arrived, the room was very hot, so we did not put any source of heat inside. We will put a source of heat during the evening time. And one mistake that I did when I bought their drinkers and the feeding tray from a company, I had to verify it before they arrived, because I did not verify it earlier on. When the company was bringing it, they misarranged it, so it nearly cost me. So make sure you verify everything. You make sure everything is set and ready before they arrive. Thank you for watching Safobafo TV. I'm going to bring you more update on this. So If today is your first time, please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll try my best to answer everything.